Hi everyone, my name is Nat and in this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Neurotonix before buying this product. I will give you very important information and I also have some alerts about Neurotonix that I will tell you to prevent you from losing money or even harming your health. So pay close attention to this video and stay until the end. The first warning I have to tell you is that Neurotonix is only sold on the official website, so I recommend that you do not buy this product on any other website because you will run a great risk of falling into scams or even receiving a counterfeit product. To help you, I left here in the video description the link to the official website if you want to access it. Now I will tell you what Neurotonix is and if it really works. It is a 100% natural supplement made with minerals and probiotic actions that will help regulate blood sugar, help with the absorption of nutrients, as well as helping to maintain a healthy gut and regulate your weight. You can believe that all this is connected to your memory. They say that the gut is the second human brain and taking care of it will help your body as a whole. Our body is complex and interconnected in incredible ways, and that's why I found this supplement very complete. Then you can really trust Neurotonix. It is expert approved, created and tested for all ages. It is a safe supplement made in an FDA-approved facility and is being used by thousands of people who are having great results with this product. Neurotonix will help you remember more of the things that happen to you in everyday life, learn faster, have a clearer mind and no mental confusion. Also great for staying focused on studies. But another warning I have to give is that for you to have results with Neurotonix, it is very important that you use the product in the right way. Some people are not getting results with Neurotonix because they are using it the wrong way. So the right way to use Neurotonix is to take 1 capsule a day. It's very easy to take because you will just let the tablet melt on your tongue or you can chew it too, you don't even need water. Neurotonix does not sell on Amazon or anywhere else except by the manufacturer itself on the official page that I left below in the description of this video. You should take it every day without making a mistake. And doing the treatment this way, in the first month of use you will already notice the first results with Neurotonix, but most people are able to enjoy all the benefits of the product and get more definitive results after 3 months of use. Another thing you should also know is that the manufacturer of Neurotonix offers a 60-day warranty. Then you can really test the product to see the results on your body. If for some reason you don't like the results, if the product doesn't work for you, you can ask for your money back without any risk. So I wanted to make this video to clarify all doubts about Neurotonix and also to warn you about the scams that are happening out there, so if you are going to buy this product, buy only on the official website so you don't experience any kind of problem. Also, remember to use it correctly for the best results. And if you have any questions, you can leave a comment below and I'll answer you.